Hello students, today in this video let us learn few more problems in bivariate transformations. The second problem is like this. The two-dimensional random variable x and y are related to two-dimensional random variables pq as p is equal to 4x plus 2y, q is equal to x plus 2y. X and y have zero means. Zero means mu x is equal to 0, mu y is equal to 0. Sigma x square means variance of the random variable x is 9 and sigma y square is equal to 4. The variance of y is 4. Rho of xy is equal to minus 0.5. We have to find rho of PQ. Here the value of A, B, C, D is given. So the value of A, B, C, D, A is 4, B is 2, C is 1 and D is 2. First of all, let us write what is given. After that, to find rho of PQ, first we have to find rho of XY. So since rho of xy is given, we will consider the formula for rho of xy so that we can find the covariance of xy. Covariance of xy is calculated as rho of xy into sigma x sigma y. Rho xy is given to be 0.5. Sigma x square is 9, so sigma x is 3. Sigma y square is 4, so sigma y is 2. When we multiply this, we get the answer for covariance of xy is equal to minus 3. For rho of PQ, we want sigma p and sigma q. So let us find sigma square p. So formula for sigma square p is a square into sigma x square plus 2ab into covariance of xy plus b square into sigma y square. In yesterday's video we have learned about these two formulas. So value of a square is 16, value of sigma x square is 9, value of 2ab, that is 4 to the 8 into 2, 16. Covariance we have found it to be minus 3, b square is 4. The value of sigma y square is 4. When you multiply all these and add, we get the value as 112. So sigma square p is 112. That means sigma p is square root of 112. Next, let us find sigma q square. It is given by the formula c square sigma x square plus 2cd into covariance of xy, d square into sigma y square. So let us again put the values. So c square is 1 into sigma x square is 9, 1 into 9 is 9, 2cd, that is 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Covariance is minus 3 plus d square. Value of d square is 4 into sigma y square is 4. So when we simplify that, we get the value of sigma q square is equal to 13. Now as per the question, let us find the value of the covariance of PQ. Covariance of PQ is given by the formula AC into sigma x square plus BC plus AD into covariance of XY, BD into sigma y square. So AC is 4, sigma x square is 9, BC plus AD, BC is 2, AD is 8. So BC plus AD is 10. So covariance of xy is minus 3 into BD. BD is 2 into 2, 4 and sigma y square is 4. So we have substituted all the values. When you simplify, you get the value as 22. Finally, we will find the coefficient of correlation, rho of PQ. Rho of PQ is covariance of PQ by sigma P, sigma Q. So, covariance is here just now found. So, 22. Sigma P is square root of 112. Sigma Q is square root of 13. When you simplify, you get the value as 0.577. So, this is direct question. All the values are given. We need to just substitute the values, find the answer. Let us move on to the next question. If x is a random variable with mu x is equal to 4, write what is given. Sigma x is equal to 5. If y is a random variable with mu y is equal to 6 and sigma y is equal to 7, the coefficient of correlation is given to be 0.7, that is rho xy is given to be 0.7. If u is equal to 3x plus 2y, find the variance of u, means we have to find sigma u square, covariance of ux and covariance of uy. Let us write the values of a and b. A is 2, value of a is 3, b is 2. First of all, let us find the value of covariance of xy, because we need to find the value of sigma u square. In the sigma u square, we require covariance of xy. So, covariance of xy is given by rho xy into sigma x, sigma y. Rho xy is 0.7, sigma x is 5, sigma y is 7. When we put these values, we got the answer as 24.5. Once we get the value of covariance of xy, let us find the value of sigma u square, which is given by the formula a square into sigma x square plus 2ab into covariance of xy plus b square into sigma y square. So, a square is 9, sigma x square is 5 square 25, so 9 into 25 plus 2ab, a into b is 6, 6 2s are 12, covariance we have just found it to be 24.5. b square is the square of 2, it is 4, and sigma y square is 7 square 49. So, if we simplify, we get the value as 715. So, we have found the value of covariance of u. Variance of u. Now, let us find covariance of ux. So, to find the covariance of ux, see, covariance of ux, we have to derive this. Covariance of ux can be written as expectation of e minus mu x into x minus mu x. So, here we want the value of mu u. So, before we derive this, first let us find the value of mu u. For that, let us take u. U is given to be 3x plus 2y. Let us put the expectation on both the sides. We will get e of u is equal to 3 times e of x plus 2 into, make it e of y. E of u is nothing but mu u. E of x is mu x and E of y is mu y. So, mu u is equal to 3 mu x plus 2 mu y. So, to substitute the value mu u in this formula, we have derived it now. Now, let us find an equation to find covariance of ux. Covariance of ux, as we have derived the formula for covariance of xy, we will derive here the formula for covariance of ux. Covariance of ux can be written as expectation of u minus mu x into x minus mu x. Let us put the value of u. The value of u is 3x plus 2y. The value of mu u is 3 mu x plus 2 mu y into x minus mu x I have written as it is. Now let us first solve these two. The first bracket. If I open the brackets inside this, I will simplify. That becomes 3x plus 2y minus 3 mu x minus 2 mu y. This is it. Now if you see here, 3 is common. So we have taken 3 common outside here and written x minus mu x. Similarly in the second and fourth term, 2 is common. We have taken 2 common outside, y minus mu y. And the remaining term x minus mu x I have written as it is. Now again let us simplify. If you see here, so I have to, this is outside the bracket, I have to multiply this with each term now. So when I multiply this with the first term, I will get 3 into x minus mu x whole square, 3 into x minus mu x whole square plus 2 into y minus mu x into x minus mu x. Let us take the expectation for each term now. Since 3 is constant, 3 can be written as at outside e of x minus mu x whole square plus 2 into e of y minus mu y into x minus mu x. Therefore, e of x minus mu square is nothing but 3 into sigma x square. And we know this is the formula for covariance of x, y. So, it is 2 times covariance of xy. Let us put the values of sigma x square and covariance of xy. That is 3 into 25 plus 2 into 24.5. We get the value of covariance of ux as 124. Now, in the similar way, we will find the formula for the covariance of vy. Here, if you find it in the same manner, you get 2 sigma y square plus 3 times covariance of xy. Substitute the values of sigma y square and covariance of xy. When you put the values, you get the answer as 171.5. So try to find it, don't simply copy it down. Try to find it in the similar way and check the answer. You get the answer as 171.5. Let us move on to the next problem. X and y are the correlated random variables with the correlation coefficient as 0.6. Mu x is equal to 3. Variance of x is equal to 9. Let us go on writing it, what is given. So, rho xy is equal to 0.6. Mu x is equal to 3. Variance of x can be written as sigma x square is equal to 49. Mu y is equal to 144. Variance of y can be written as sigma y square is equal to 12. If u and v are obtained by using the transformation u is equal to x plus cy, v is equal to x minus cy, find the value of c if u and v are uncorrelated. So let us write the values of a, b, c, d. Value of a is 1, b is c, here it is small letter c is 1 and d is minus c. So first always write whatever it is given. Now to find covariance of uv, we first require covariance of xy. Since rho xy is given, we will find using the formula covariance of xy is equal to rho xy into sigma x into sigma y. We have already used this formula in many problems, so I will not explain it again. So put the values. Rho xy is 0.6. Value of sigma x is 7. Value of sigma y is the square root of 144, 12. You get the value as 50.4. Next is find the covariance of uv. AC into sigma x square, BC plus AD into covariance of xy, BD into sigma y square. So let us put the corresponding values. AC it is 1, sigma x square is 49, so you get 49 here. BC is C into 1 is C, so written C here. AD is 1 into minus C, it is minus C, so C minus C gets cancelled, it becomes 0. BD, value of B and D, C into C, minus C, we get minus C square, value of sigma y square is 144. So here we get 49 minus 144 C square. So further, if you see, we have to find the value of C if U and V are uncorrelated. U and V are uncorrelated means covariance of UV is 0. So let us put the value of covariance of UV to be 0 here. So when I put, if U is uncorrelated, covariance of UV is equal to 0. Here if I put 0, I will get 49 minus 144 C square is equal to 0. C square is equal to 49 by 144. So C is square root of 49 by 144, which is plus or minus 7 by 12. So if you simplify, it is plus or minus 0.5833. I hope all of you have understood this. Let us move on to the next question. The random variable has mean 3. So let us take the random variable as x. So mu x is equal to 3. Variance 0.7. Sigma x square is equal to 0.7. The random variable y has a mean of minus 3. Mu y is equal to minus 3. Variance is 0.6. Sigma y square is 0.6. Covariance of xy is 0.466. So value of A, B, C, D we shall write now. So the transformation is u is equal to 10x plus 6y, v is equal to 5x plus 13y. We have to find the variance of u, that is sigma u square, sigma v square and covariance of v. Already we know all the three formulas. We need to just substitute the values and find the resultant answer. So here I have written the values of A, B, C, D. Sigma u square, the formula is a square into sigma x square plus 2ab into covariance of xy plus b square into sigma y square. So we have put the corresponding values here, substituted the values, you get the answer as 147.59. Similarly, write the formula for sigma v square. It is c square into sigma x square plus 2cd into covariance of xy plus d square into sigma y square. Put the values of all the terms given. You will get the resultant answer as 179.558. Finally, we have to find covariance of uv, for which the formula is ac into sigma x square plus bc plus ad into covariance of xy plus bd into sigma y square. Put the values of all the terms here. You will get the value of covariance uv is equal to 156.46. So with this, we have finished some of the problems in the bivariate transformation. For this video, this is enough. Thank you.